Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a quick safety check and the first cleanups. First, back up essential files so changes don't risk data loss. Next, uninstall apps you no longer use and run disk cleanup to remove temporary files and empty the recycle bin. Check storage space and free at least 10% to avoid fragmentation and paging slowdowns. Once done, restart the PC to apply those clean deletions and let Windows rebuild caches, which often restores responsiveness immediately. Now you'll optimize what runs and how Windows presents itself. Open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup items so boot and background load drop. Then adjust visual effects in System Properties. Choosing Best Performance cuts animations and freeze RAM. Pick Custom to retain useful effects. Update Windows and GPU/network drivers. These fixes resolve resource drains and driver conflicts. Also inspect Device Manager for warning icons. Finish with targeted diagnostics and recovery steps. Open Resource Monitor to spot which processes spike CPU, disk, or memory. End or uninstall the offending app. Run a full malware scan because infections often cause unexplained lag. If problems persist, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and DISM to repair corrupted system files. These commands fix core Windows issues. If that still fails, backup data and perform a clean install. Troubleshooting tip: if performance worsens after a change, revert it or use System Restore to return to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.